I'll suggest it to anybody preparing for UGEE.
The IIIT Prep guide helped a lot.
Friend actually suggested about this IIIT Prep who had gone in last year in IIIT.
I'm really thankful to the entire IIIT Prep team.
For the UG exam, for the read part, my friend actually suggested about these books, and I bought the previous year questions paper book, and it helped me a lot to crack the UG exam.
I bought both the REAP and the SUPR guides and also the test series. Obviously, I've not given any tests like this before. It was very useful, especially like the charts that were there at the beginning of the books and the different segregation of topics.
I'm so thankful. I'm genuinely so thankful for all the previous year papers you have collected, all the data you have collected. I think the IIIT Prep guide helped a lot. Yeah, it's really good. I really appreciate it. I genuinely really appreciate it.
I just gave 2 or 3 days for my UGEE preparation, to be honest. And my read score is 79.50, which I find was very apt for the days I gave it in the preparation. And that was because of the book which I got, and I just practiced the previous years from there only.
I used IIIT Prep's book only for REAP because any other material was not available, so it has been very helpful. The book was also pretty relevant.
I bought the book which included the previous year questions, the memory-based questions, and I practiced all of them, so they were very helpful. And also the guidance for the interview was very helpful as well, since we got to practice in a real life situation, so that was very helpful too.
As we all know, there are no official question papers that are available. IIIT Prep is the only platform I could get my hands on that actually collected the inputs from so many students. So that helped me a lot before the exam also. Because without any sort of idea of what questions are there going to be in the exam, it's really hard to get a strategy to use.